Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A02s mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and take out the board cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector. Next, take out the broken lens from the board frame. Apply heat to soften the glue and then push from the rear side to take out the lens. Next, place a new camera lens with adhesive and make sure it is secured. Next, secure the battery plug and turn on the device for verification. Next, place the board frame by adding 8 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.